In this video, you'll learn how to use the Advanced Drive Audit Log for Google Workspace Admins. This tool is essential if you want better visibility into what's happening with files in your organization's Google Drive, including who's accessing them, how they're being shared, and what changes are being made. To get started, sign in to the Google Admin Console using an account with admin privileges for your organization. Once you're on the main Admin Console homepage, look toward the top left for the main navigation icon, often called the menu, or sometimes shown as 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the side menu. From there, navigate to Reporting. This is where Google collects and organizes data about activity across your workspace environment. Under Reporting, look for Audit and Investigation. This section lets you drill down into specific products and activities. Within Audit and Investigation, select Drive Log Events. This is the Advanced Drive Audit Log, where you can explore detailed records of file activity across your domain. Once the Drive Log Events page loads, you'll see a list of events and, near the top, an option labeled Add a Filter. This is where the real power of the Advanced Audit Log comes in, because filters let you narrow down your search and focus on the exact events you care about. Click Add a Filter, and you'll see a large list of attributes you can filter by. There are more than 50 different options, but let's walk through some of the most useful ones so you understand how and when to use them. First, there's the Event attribute. This filter lets you specify the type of action that occurred. For example, you can look for download events if you want to know who has downloaded a particular file, or when downloads are happening across your organization. You might choose Edit to see who's making content changes, or View to monitor access without modifications. If you're auditing permissions, selecting Change User Permissions will help you find when someone has granted or removed access for others. And if you're concerned about data leaving your environment, the trash event can show you when files have been moved to the trash, which can be useful for investigating accidental or intentional deletion. Another powerful filter is visibility. This tells you how a file is shared. You can narrow the log to files that are shared externally or set to be public on the web. This is especially helpful for proactively checking for potential data exposure. For example, you might run a regular search for any files that are public on the web, then review whether that level of access is appropriate. You can also filter by actor. This field identifies the account that performed the action. Instead of scrolling through all events, you can simply type in the user's address and instantly see what Drive actions are associated with that account, such as which files they viewed, edited, downloaded, or shared. This is very useful when responding to a specific user issue, a support request, or a security investigation. Finally, there's the Item ID filter. Every file in Google Drive has a unique ID that appears in the file's URL. If you copy that ID from the URL and paste it into the Item ID filter, you can pull up the complete activity history for that single document or file. This is ideal when you're dealing with a sensitive or high-risk file and need a precise end-to-end record of who accessed it and what they did. By combining these filters, Event Visibility, Actor, and Item ID, you can build very targeted views of Drive activity. This makes the Advanced Drive Audit Log a powerful tool for security monitoring, compliance, and day-to-day administration in your Google Workspace environment.